Happy New Year, crafty friends! Welcome back to the attic. As we step into 2026, I wanted to come in and do a quick video to begin the year quietly with a small look at what's coming here on the channel and how this little creative space will continue to unfold over the months ahead. My word for this year is balance. So this year I want to take things much slower and working with intention and creating things that feel lasting rather than rushed. So I'm excited to announce this next thing that I've got coming up. One of the main creative threads this year is going to be a new collection that I'm going to be doing called the Attic Heirloom Collection. This is going to be a year-long series of monthly kits designed to grow slowly, 1 month at a time, almost like adding pieces to a keepsake box as the year unfolds. Before I show you the January portion of this, I want to start with the Attic Heirloom Base Kit because this is where everything else builds from. The base kit was designed to be timeless, flexible, and works as the foundation for all of the collections that'll come. But it can also be used completely on its own or mixed into your other journal projects that you already love. So let's flip through this kit really quick. The pages in the base kit are intentionally neutral, restrained, and vintage, and lots of room for writing, layering, and adding personal touches. You can think of this as like a quiet constant that ties the whole year together. So these base pages can be used as background pages or journal pages. And they're very vintage and have that time-worn look. There are 30 pages to the kit. And they vary in shades and tones. There's lined journaling pages, and then blank journaling pages. And this is just going to help you build out journals either with my collections or any kits that you have. The base kit also comes with a variety of style pockets. And then we have ephemera, we have bookmarks, library pocket. We have more pockets. And an envelope. We have large tags and smaller tags. And I think you'll find that this kit has a little variety of everything in it. I've even got a little mini folio that you could use to create a folio that stands on its own or be used as an insert in your journals. And then I've included the months of the year in 2 sizes. That way if you wanted to add that to the inserts for your journals. There's also sentiments and washi strips. I've got dates in case you wanted to use this as kind of like a planner, and the days of the week. And again, this has 30 pages in it and is available on my Etsy shop. I'll have the link down in the description box. Each month in the Heirloom Collection adds a small seasonal layer on top of the foundation of your base kit. January is called Snowdrops and Stillness, and it sets the tone for the entire year. Every monthly kit that follows will have the same structure. It'll have journal pages, backgrounds, collage pages, and ephemera, but with subtle shifts in the palettes, symbolisms, and mood. For January, everything's quiet, pared back, meant to feel like a gentle beginning rather than a bold statement. Perfect for those slow months at the beginning of the year, after all the hustle and bustle from the holiday season. We've got collage sheets and background pages. Got some that are a little plainer that you can use for backgrounds or journaling pages. This one is kind of like a checked linen pattern. And then we've got a patterned paper with the snowdrops. I have journaling pages. Some are lined, some are blank. And the kit comes with ephemera. I've got tags and journaling cards and tickets, some sentiment strips, more pockets, a bookmark, and then each kit will come with 2 pages of fussy cuts, and each monthly kit will have at least 15 pages. Sometimes they may have more. Sometimes I do get carried away when I start creating. But we've got 2 pages of fussy cuts, and this is where you can use these to build on those base pages to add your own clusters and style. One of the things I really love about this collection is how flexible it's going to be. You can use each month as a standalone kit, creating 12 individual journals if that's what works best for you. Or you can work slowly across the year and bring everything together into one large heirloom project, something that holds an entire year of memories, reflections, and creative time. There's no right or wrong way to use this. They're meant to be adapted at your pace and your style. The base kit is here to support both approaches. You can use it alongside each of the monthly kits to keep things consistent, or you can pull pieces from it to extend other projects, whether it's a different journal, a folio, or another kit entirely. It's meant to be useful, not restrictive. So let's chat a little bit about 2026. Alongside my heirloom collection, there will be creative new series here on the channel, some familiar favorites that are returning, and a few new ideas that are taking shape more slowly. There are some thoughtful collaborations planned throughout the year, all chosen to fit in this calmer, more intentional rhythm style. So whether you're here for journaling, memory keeping, or simply a quiet, creative moment, I hope the attic continues to feel like a place you can return to whenever you need it. I want to thank you again for beginning this new year with me. I am really excited and looking forward to creating alongside you in 2026. So here's to gentle beginnings and a year of making things last. So until I see y'all again here in the attic, y'all take care.